Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use state in Adobe Xd. The state allows us to change for example, the button state from normal to hover and to switched. For that, we are going to start to create a recording start button. So the first thing that we are going to do is to put some color to our start button. I think gray as background and white as the text color could go for our tutorial. Select the background and the text and make a component. Then go to component and add state. As you can see, there's new state and hover state. We start with hover state first. So with hover state selected, we go to the component, open component, and select the background and change the background color. We are going to change the background color to yellow. So in the preview, when we hover over this button, the state could change to yellow. Here we go. So this, we return back to the standard state. We go to prototype. As you can see, when we hover over the button, the state changes. Cool. Now we're going to do the next step. That means adding a new state. This state is more a hover. This state we are going to call it activated because this state will be activated when we click on the button. So with this new state clicked, we go to the component, but this time we not only change the background color to red, but also change the text to recording. Now that we have this, we come back to our default state, and in prototype we click in the blue handle and add an animated trigger to activated state. And in activated state, the same thing to default state. Now let's check the result. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.